it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is another episode in my series, Palette of the Week. This week's palette is a throwback. It is the Juvia's Place Tribe palette. I don't believe this is available anymore, but the colors are literally made for this time of year. Like, this is the ultimate fall Halloween palette. It is so stunning, and I thought, you know, I want to do something really fall Halloween inspired. What better palette to pull out? So that's what we're gonna do. And if you're curious as to what's already going on with my face, I did put on some faux freckles with the Jason Wu, the Freckled Boy, and then I took where I'm so disorganized. And then I took the Frozen 2 glitter from ColourPop. This is the Waterfall shade, and just topped it over the freckles to give myself like gold glittery freckles. And then the lip is a combination of Grande Cosmetics Night Shift lip pencil and a mini version of MAC's Sin lipstick. So that's what's already happening on my face, but let's zoom in and create a super fall look. Okay, we're nice and zoomed in. First step, as usual, is priming the eyes. So I'm taking, well, I already have concealer. Let's first like blend those creases out. I'm gonna take a teeny bit of the primer potion from Urban Decay and spread that out. I'm so excited for this look, you guys. Like, I've kind of prepped for it and I have a general idea of what I'm doing, but at the same time I'm kind of also winging it. Like, this whole gold glitter freckle situation, not planned at all. I just did it. So we are taking Curla, the metallic orange, and I'm taking it on a like flat curved brush, and I'm not spraying it, and I am first just gently, as precisely as I can, putting that from inner corner to outer corner. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that brush to create my graphic shape. So I'm just gonna take the brush and use this sharp edge to draw a winged line straight out, and then get more product on the straight edge and go from the outer corner to meet that, and then fill it in. And you can always clean these edges up. Ugh, of course, I forgot to put my phone on silent yet again. Let me fix that. Okay, we're good. So yeah, you can always clean these edges up by using concealer or makeup remover. I'm definitely going to do a little bit of that, but first I just want to get the mirror a little closer so I can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Okay, and I'm just gonna take a Q-tip and a little of my Lancome, if I can open it, makeup remover, and just fix this edge just a little bit. Okay, then I'm gonna take my concealer brush with a little leftover concealer and cover that up. I think those shapes are symmetrical. You can do whatever shape you like, but this shape is going to play into the overall look that I'm going to do. So I'm going to take a white eyeliner. This is the NYX white liquid liner in just the little tube thing. And I'm going to start at the tip of the wing and draw 3 lines like this. So one at the bottom edge, one at the top edge, and one in the middle. And of course I have like rogue brow hairs that ruined that whole thing. That's what you get when you like don't pluck your eyebrows. Okay, let's do it on the other side. Okay, so I have my little lines done. So then I'm just going to take a definer brush, a tiny definer brush, and the shade Cuba, the metallic green, and cover those up with the dark metallic green. Then on top of that, I am going to take Coro, this shade right here, which is like a iridescent orange green color, and just layer that on top to bring a bit of brightness to that. You know, this looked better when I practiced it. Don't you hate that when you like try a look out and you're like, yes, I nailed this, but then you actually go to really do it and film it and take pictures and you're like, this looks kind of like poop. This looks kind of like poop. I'm just going to take that shader brush we used to lay down the orange and really clean up in between the lines. Bring the orange back in those areas. Okay, then I don't know if you can tell, these are supposed to be pumpkins, like abstract pumpkins. So I'm gonna take a brown liner and like take a little curly Q. I don't even know if I can replicate that. Yeah, that's not the same at all. So yeah, like vines from the pumpkins, and then I'm gonna do the same thing in the crease. Draw like little vines with the brown liner. And if you're curious, this is the roller liner from Benefit in brown. I got it in like a Macy's advent calendar or something. Like I got it somewhere. I didn't outright purchase this, but yeah, then we are going to take, shoot, I am not prepared. Okay, here's a liner brush. So we're gonna take the metallic brown color, which is called Chaga, right here, and a liner brush, and just go over and add a hint of metallic to those vines. This could be the stupidest look I've ever done. I could suck hard, but I'm having fun, and that's all that matters. Makeup is for fun. Yeah, so those are kind of my pumpkin eyes. I'm just going to take the Masai, this one, and the Cora shade, the like bright neon green and the iridescent orange green color, and I'm gonna pop those both on the inner corner. Okay, I feel like I need to do something for the lower lash line, so what should I do for the lower lash line? Ooh, I have a neon orange eyeliner from ColourPop. This is, I don't know what color this is, it's worn off, but let's put neon orange on the waterline. I'm just gonna take a teensy bit of that original Curla shade to blend in the upper lash line with the lower lash line. Alright, and then I think I'm just gonna pop on mascara and call this hot mess done. I'll be right back. Alright, this is the completed look with the Juvia's Place Tribe palette. Again, these are the colors. It is Such a stunning color story. And let's get a close-up of the look. So again, I did freckles with gold glitter to kind of bring out that fall vibes, a like vampy lip, and then I tried to do pumpkin inspired eyes, but I don't know. I'm maybe girl boss too close to the sun on this one. It was good in my head, but on my face, I don't know so much. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below how you think this look turned out. Would you recreate it? Do you have this palette? Are you inspired to shop your stash for fall palettes? What is your favorite fall palette? Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!